Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here. As you can see, I have a swarm of bees, and I figured might as well share. I don't know if anybody knows, I'm actually a beekeeper, and I just got home from work and seen this swarm of bees. Came home real quick. I have 2 hives already, and I'm going to set up this hive. So I've already got the box down. I'll put a lid on it, keep them trapped overnight or so. So probably won't do an update video, just wanted to share with you guys. There's actually several ways I can go about this. I can cut this limb off of my plum tree, which I don't want to do. Take it and shake it into the box. I actually just got this 5-gallon bucket. I'm going to dump them in there. Hopefully the queen will stay in there and I can move them over there. So they will follow. And there's the ducks. You can hear them. So. Alright, here we go. Shake, shake, shake. Hopefully there's a queen in there. Oh, I see the queen. Awesome sauce. So, just open this up, dump this in a hive. Frames in there. It's actually a hive that I lost over winter. So, there you go. Still in there. Find her again. Alright, she's in the box. She is in the box. So hopefully it'll start moving down. See how this works out. So I got the entrance blocked off, and I'm going to put this inner cover on. And we'll see how they react, because if they go in, it means she's in there and they're like, hey, that's where we live. These are small. Watch them, they're actually going in. So it means the queen's in there. So yeah, that's awesome. I got a swarm, so now I just added an extra hive. Alright, just wanted to share that real quick video. I'll be a short one. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, and remember, enjoy the outside.